What's up, guys? I've got a beautiful helmet. It's the AGV K7. I'm really excited to get out and wear this helmet. It's a really good looking helmet, nice and sharp. I love my AGV K6S, and I'm not sure if this is going to be a complete replacement for it, but this is definitely a sharp looking partner for my helmet, so I can switch out between the two depending on what I'm doing. I'll do a comparison video on those two, but today I'm focusing on putting a comm system in this. Initially, I was thinking I was going to go with the Pack Talk Pro like I've got on my AGV K6S. However, this thing comes ready to be integrated with Cardo's Insyde. So this is going to be installed into this helmet, and it's not going to have like any bulky exterior parts. This is going to actually be installed into the helmet, into the shell. The controls will be here, nice and smooth on the side of the helmet, and it's going to be really cool. I'm just going to do a quick installation video, show you guys how it's done, and if I can do it, anyone can do it. So let's get to it. Okay, first I'm going to set this over here really quick. We'll get to that in a second, but let's see what comes in the box. So this is the AGV Insyde, but if you read the fine print or just look at the other side of the box, you'll see that this is actually a Cardo unit, which I'm super stoked on. I love Cardo. I run Cardo on my regular helmets. Super nice packaging. That actually didn't take long. So here we go. Nice layout inside the helmet of where everything's gonna go. And you can see, all right, so this is gonna go in the back of the helmet where there's a space, and this will be my left side controls. And it looks like it has, not looks like, it actually has just the regular jack and mic setup like the other Cardo units have. So, all right, so we've got that out. This must be the box of all the everything else, the speakers and the microphone, all the books in all the languages. Got tons of them in different languages, but let's see what else there is. Got some important information, got some speakers, prep pads, and the speaker pads, charging cable, and a microphone. All right, so we got everything out of the box, got it laid out here. Let's get the helmet here and get prepped to start installing this thing. All right, so the first thing typically you always have to do, well, this one I'm gonna have to take this little guy out. Easy, one little cover. Looks like there's a foam spacer covering up the gap where this is going to sit. And I'm almost wondering if I can just slide this in right now. There we go. All right, so I've got that in place, and just like the other Cardos that I installed, I'm pretty sure I just have to pull this stuff out. So I'm just pulling out the cheek pads. It's like 3 snaps, and I'm pushing my chin strap through. There we go. Cool. Got that lifted. And there's a pad in there, you can see, that just pops out. Little placeholder for the speakers. All right, so I'm gonna rub it with an alcohol prep pad. I've got these little Velcro soft sides that are gonna go in there. All right, so I got this side cleaned off. And while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and pop out this other side. There we go. 3 snaps, chin strap out. Little place keeper out of there. Stick those together, set them there. All right, same prep pad. There we go. And you can see the voids where I'll be placing the speakers, and it's actually got little spots to run the wires through too. It's actually got a clip for the microphone here and a little wind guard in there for the microphone. Nice. Okay, so let me get these speakers in. So everything's going to be going to the left. So the shorter side, depending on how this goes, my 3.5 jack and microphone connection are going to be on the right side of the helmet. So that's going to be the shorter side. So I'll get this connected here. All right, so now I'm putting in Velcro pads. These guys just go centered right there in my little voids for my speakers. Should look like this when you're done. All right, the microphone fits nice and tight in there. You can see that. The microphone itself is actually hidden up here inside of that little guard. So it's pretty good. Like, nice tight fitment. Doesn't interfere with anything. Nice and flush. All right, now we'll go ahead and put the speakers in. The short side is going to go on the right, same side as the microphone. All right, and we'll plug in headphones and microphone. It can't do it wrong. These plugs are set up to go one way only. Microphone, headphones, both plugged in. I'll work on the routing of the wires here shortly, but that's in there now. And I think I'm gonna lift up on the back of this padding just to run the wires over the back of this. Perfect. So the only wire running all the way across is going to be my left side speaker. All right, once you get all that stuff in, it's time to find a home for this little switch control. It's going to be here on this side. I had to take it off camera a little bit. I had to use both hands, kind of force it up. But once you do, here it is. Don't break this switch tab. It's got these little channels that it has to lock into, so don't want to break anything. I don't want to break anything. I'm actually going to save that in case I ever take this out, or I upgrade helmets and the new helmet has the same system. So this should go right into, there's 3 channels. Just kind of guide it down. There we go. There's a little tab on the back of it, and the big tab is here where it's going to lock. But there we go. Just push it all down until it is flush. And that's going to be where it lives. Nice and flush there. The wires run here, so I'm going to tuck the wire underneath this little plastic here, kind of get that out of the way. Now I'm going to address these wires that are dangling everywhere for the microphone, the speakers. There's a little channel, there's a little gap here on the right side of the helmet that should give me enough space to hide the 3.5 connector, the mic connector, and then the excess wire. So I'm going to push this along the side here underneath this pad. And it should give me just what I need as far as space is concerned. Okay, so here's what I've got. It's not terrible. Just a little bit of the wires just kind of tucked in there. Chin strap back. Through here. There we go. The pad snapped back in place. And then here on the bottom plate, there's a little trap door that you got to pop out, because that's where this little flap for my charging port is. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. Get that aligned. Make sure this guy snaps right in there. There we go. Now my AGV K7 is fully ready to ride with comms. Cardo system, probably the cleanest setup I've seen. You got volume down here. You know, you've got your controls up here, phone play, Bluetooth. I love it. Look, you just see a little glimpse of the cable here, and it's pretty much invisible. Completely invisible, nice and sleek, beautiful helmet, and it took all of 20 minutes to install. If I could do it, you can do it. Can't wait to put some miles on this helmet. Got a few events coming up, and appreciate you guys taking the time to hang out with me. See you guys later.